too rough. Yo, what's up, guys? I know you guys will be wondering what's up with this guy with the bottle of beer and the glass of beer. And there is this ongoing trend with our Nigerian YouTubers, not just our Nigerian YouTubers, but specifically the female Nigerian YouTubers. Whenever they want to make a video, they have this bottle of wine. I'm using this one as the bottle of wine. And they have this one as this sexy glass of wine. So they have their drink while they make their video. So in today's video, I'm going to start up a trend. I'm going to start up my own trend, and it's going to be, you know, having a bottle of beer while, you know, making this video. And when flavor na deba, I go say, odigide potano, but odigide tachali ife. Imani ife na ma derizio, imano derizio. Life is no easy, my brother. Imano derizio. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eboh. In case you don't know, and if this is your first time watching, or if this is your first time being on this channel, if this is your first time seeing my handsome face, you are highly welcome. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome, sister. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top most expensive estate. Not just sharing with you guys, I'm going to be showing you and also sharing you some information about these top 3 most expensive estates. So without wasting much of your time, because I know you guys still have more important things to do today, so without wasting much of your time, we have to dive into the video. And I'm going to be starting up with this video with the top 3 most expensive estates in Enugu. So guys, let's go. Fidelity Estate is located in Independence Layout, Enugu. It is very close to the Enugu Spa hypermarket. Fidelity Estate have a recreational locations such as football field, a hockey field, a swimming pool, a gym, and a basketball court. It was established with the objectives of providing recreational activities for the residents of the estate and outsiders. All the houses in this estate are mostly duplexes. Fidelity Estate is fully developed estate. Houses are sold at the range of 80 million naira and are for rent at the range of 1.5 million naira per year. Beer is life. So guys, the last video you saw, the last estate you saw, that's the is third most expensive estate in Enugu State. So right now we have to dive into the second most expensive estate. Like I told you guys, I'm sharing with you guys the top 3 most expensive estates. So the second most expensive estate in Enugu is Fidelity Estate. Fidelity Estate is located in Opera Avenue, laid beneath the hill of Artisan Quarters. They have an exit that cuts through Enugu Tunnel. It houses about 150 residents and structures, with 2 gates that can pass incoming and outgoing vehicles. The houses are mostly duplexes, beautifully structured in a clean and serene environment. Houses are sold for 100 million naira and above in this estate. That's the second most expensive estate, which is the Fidelity. I hope you guys like that estate. So the final, that's the number 1 most expensive estate, man. I love this estate. Whenever I visit Enugu, even if I'm not doing anything or even I'm so busy doing something, I must try to you know drive through or maybe walk through the Zoo Estate, which is the first most expensive, the most expensive estate in Enugu State. So guys, check out the Zoo Estate, which is the most expensive estate in Enugu State. Zoo Estate is located in GRA Enugu beside National Museum. It is habited by politicians, first-class billionaires, and top government officials. Each of the streets is named after an animal, like Lion Street, Eagle Street, Tiger Street, Flamingo Street, Giraffe Street. That's funny. If it's for me, if I'm to own a house in Zoo Estate, definitely I will go for a zebra street. In this estate, all the houses are mostly duplexes, beautifully structured in a cool and clean environment. Lands here is cost at the range of 90 million naira why houses are sold at the range of 135 million naira. So guys, that's it all I have for you in this video, and I hope you find this video very informative and interesting. And oh my god, man, oh god, guys, the love has been so great, man. The love you guys keep on showering on this channel to see this channel keep on progressing. It has been very amazing. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank every one of you, all my subscribers, those that have been commenting, those that have been watching my video when it's been uploaded immediately, those that have been engaging. Oh my god, guys, the love is so massive. I really want to use this opportunity because, you know, the kind of videos I do these days, normally I don't show my face in the camera. So I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of my subscribers. You guys are dope, you guys are best, man. And most especially those of you that, you know, keep on asking me to, you know, bring my my USD account so you can donate, or, you know, the little amount you can to support the channel. Oh my god, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are really the best. So I thank you guys. Like, I don't want to get emotional. I'm quite a very emotional person, but you know, sometimes as a man you have to hide your emotions just to look strong, and that's what I'm about to do here. I'm strong. So guys, thank you so much again. I really appreciate. And for this video, you already know what to do to keep on supporting. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I want for you anytime but if you subscribe to my channel. Or they want my guy, I come out the cambo. On Bembe Tazoba, I met Tazoba, and I am man seriously fan. Okay, Ben see read this thing because support support bro, support sister, please. I would really appreciate, and I will see you when next I talk to you. Cody. Give me one bottle of alcohol, oh, make I drink away my sorrow, make I shaky they go, because if we were the easy, oh my brother, it might not do easy, oh. Life, you know, easy, my brother, you might not do easy.